In this video, I'll show you the setup of the classroom and how to use it. Firstly, let's go into our Plus demo class. And the first page you'll see is called the Stream page. At the top centre of the page, you'll notice three main options: Stream, Classwork and People. We're currently in the Stream page. This is the stream of information that is given. It's a bit like a Facebook feed or a comment section on a YouTube video. At the top is the class name, so in this case Plus Demo class. It could be maths or English or even any other subject. On the left down here, it shows you any upcoming work that's due. And the most important part is this part here. It shows you any work that the teacher has posted, any resources, and it allows you and the teacher to add any comments. If we scroll down the page, you'll notice the teacher, Curtis, which is me, has already written a comment to the class saying, "Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Your work has been posted now, as you can see. If you have any questions, please let me know." The student has been able to reply and written, "Thank you sir, I'm unsure about the first slide." You can add more comments by clicking here and typing a comment here. And then pressing the triangle on the right hand side, meaning post or send. This has been added to the class comments, and to view all the comments, click to class comments here and you can see all what has been written. If I scroll further down, I can see originally we had an engineering jobs assignment or task that's been posted. I'll talk about more of that in a moment, but this will show you it from oldest all the way to newest task. So the newest information and work is at the top and the older tasks and comments further down. Remember, any comments you put here can be seen not only by the teacher but the whole class as well, so make sure that you're sensible when you write here. Once you've finished, click on the Post button. Your classmates and your teacher can now reply to your comment. The second important part of this page is People. If I click on that, we can now see teachers and classmates. All your teachers will be shown at the top and all your classmates will be shown at the bottom. We can see that we have just one teacher at the moment in this class, which is Curtis, me, and we only have one other classmate at the moment, which is Harry Potter. The third and the most important part though is Classwork, and I'm sure it's going to be your favourite. This page is nicely laid out for you. Everything is in a nice list, and you can scroll up and down the page to be able to see all the different parts. Everything is under topics, so these elements are to do with health and safety in construction, and these elements here are to do with practicals. Some tasks may not be under a topic, they'll be found at the very top. This one, for instance, says, "How have you found using Google Classroom?" Each of these elements have a different symbol on the left hand side of them. This one means an assignment, or a task or piece of work that you need to complete. This one is a resource. This is just to help you with your work, or maybe just a bit of information that you may find interesting or helpful, but there's no task to complete alongside it. There are also other symbols you may see, such as a question task. Notice how the symbols on the left are in two different shades. We've got some that are in light grey, and some that are in blue. If the symbol is in light grey, that means you've completed the task and handed it in. If the symbol is colourful, such as it's blue, red, green or another colour, that means you still have the task to complete or the resource to view. On the right hand side, next to each of these elements, you'll notice it has due dates. Most assignments will have due dates, meaning a time that you need to complete the work by. This task was due on the 3rd of February at 9:30 in the morning. This task is due on the 24th of February at 9 AM. However, this is a resource and has no task to complete, so it just tells you that this resource was posted on the 10th of February. So you will always know when a piece of work is due, meaning when you need to complete it by. If you want to check what work you've completed, or if there's anything you need to complete, click on the View Your Work button at the top here. It will show you all the tasks that you need to complete. Assigned means you've been given the task, but you're still to complete it. Missing means you've been assigned the task, but you've not completed it. Handed in means you've completed the task. If you've completed the task and the teacher's marked it, you'll see your marks here. For this task, this student has got 8 out of 10 marks. So assigned means you've still got to do the task. Missing also means you've still got to do the task, but it's late. Handed in means you've completed it. And this means it's handed in and the teacher's marked it, so you can view your mark and how well you did. To get back to the main class page, click on the class name in the top left hand side.